This unusual controversy involving Jamaican athlete Dominic Blake. And again, the Maverick is here to split the justice. For sure, Dominic Blake is wrong to hold on to a medal that she never earned. She was in the mile relay squad, but never competed, so she should have never get the medal in the first place. Plus, she had a positive drug test and suspension and should have carried back the medal anyway. So yes, she wrong and she double wrong, but we cannot leave it there. Not because it's the big, boasty and sophisticated International Olympic Committee with all its eloquence, affluence and influence. The IOC are equally careless and incompetent for giving an athlete a medal who did not compete at the Olympics. Something is wrong with their protocols, procedures, and systems. If a medal can just end up, or even worse, be presented to an athlete who did not earn it, everybody blaming Dominic Blake, so says she this and she that. Yes, she this and she that, but the IOC this and them that too. If they never committed that procedural error, Dominic Blake could have never get her hand on a medal for hold on to. So for me, the blame must be shared equally, 50-50. And since them say two wrong don't make one right, me say one wrong plus another wrong make two wrong. And the two of them wrong, run along.